how to convert percent to decimal and fraction. Okay, so let's try these examples. 90%, 75%, 925%, and 2%. Okay, so first, let's convert percent to decimal. So in converting percent to decimal, all we have to do is, so let's say we have 90%. So all we have to do is cancel the percent symbol and then move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So, nasan yung decimal point ng 90%? Nandito siya sa dulo ng 0. So, i-move natin ito ng 2 decimal places papuntang left. So, we have 1, 2. So, dito na mapapapunta yung decimal point natin. Lagyan na lang natin ng 0 sa harap. Therefore, 90% in decimal is 0.90. 0.90. And then, pwede na nating tanggalin ang 0. Kapag 0 yung nasa right after ng decimal, ng non-zero tapos may decimal, pwede nang tanggalin yon. So, 0.90, same lang yan sa 0.9. So, the answer is 90% in decimal is 0.9. And then, in fraction, percent means divided by 100. So, to convert this 90% in fraction, so all we have to do is remove the percent symbol. So, the percent symbol is equivalent to over 100 or divided by 100. So 90% in fraction is 90 over 100. And then just reduce to lowest term. Merong 0 parehas, so pwedeng i-cancel na lang yung 0 parehas or divide both by 10. So the answer in fraction in lowest term is 9 over 10. Okay, so next example, 75% convert to decimal. So, remove the percent symbol. So, yung decimal point nandito sa dulo ng 5. And then, move natin ng 2. So, dito na mapapapunta. Tanggalin ang percent symbol. So, 75% in decimal is 0.75. Okay, so in fraction, that is equal to 75 over 100. So, 75 over 100 and then reduce to lowest term. So what is the greatest common factor of 75 and 100? We can both divide by 25. So divide both by 25. So the final answer in lowest term, 75% is 75 divided by 25 is 3. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So 75% equals 3/4. Okay, so next we have 925%. So convert in decimal. Tanggalin lang natin yung percent symbol and then move natin yung decimal point natin nasa dulo, 1, 2. So, mapapapunta dito sa pagitan ng 9 and 2. So, therefore, 925% in decimal is 9.25. And then, now, let's convert to fraction. So, that is equal to 925 over percent means over 100. So, 925 over 100. Or same yan kapag we have in decimal 9.25. So in fraction, that is equal to 9 and 9. Yun yung whole number natin and then 25 over 100. So another solution, pwedeng ito na yung gamitin natin. Pero pag nanggaling sa percent, diretso tayo sa fraction, magiging siyang 925 over 100. So tapos, i-divide natin parehas sa kanyang, or pwede i-mix number na muna natin kasi over 100 naman ito. Madali siyang i-divide. So, 925 over 100, isolate na agad natin yung 9. So, equal siya sa 9 and 25 over 100. So, para mas madaling i-lowest term. So, i-divide lang natin yung 25 at 100, parehas divisible by 25. So, the final answer is 9 and 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So, 9 and 1/4 in fraction. So, try nyo naman ang number 4, 2% convert in decimal and fraction. Comment your answer.